We're here on site today in Northville, Michigan to take a look at one of our largest and most intricate residential projects to date. This project consists of 3 separate structure systems. The first, a full 2-zone, 26 by 20, fully equipped StruXure Pergola. Lights, fans, screens, complete with fireplace, stone back wall, and a TV for outdoor entertainment. The next section, a fully covered outdoor kitchen, complete with Viking grill and granite countertops. And of course, no poolside entertaining area is complete without a complimentary StruXure Pergola, with our favorite, a decorative bulkhead to top it all off. If you want to transform your backyard just like this, click the link in our bio to book your complimentary design consultation.